Hi friends, I'm Mia. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's play a fun guessing game together. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's play, what is this close-up? Get ready to guess. What is this close-up? It's a bubble gum. People once used tree sap to chew gum. What is this close-up? It's a teddy bear. They are named after a real president. What is this close-up? It's a spaghetti and meatballs. Some people eat this with a spoon. What is this close-up? It's a yellow rubber duck. Most rubber ducks do not actually quack. What is this close-up? It's a watermelon slice. Watermelons are actually 90% water. What is this close-up? It's a red balloon. They can float high up into the clouds. What is this close-up? It's a broccoli. These look like tiny green trees. What is this close-up? It's a spinning top. It stays upright only while spinning. What is this close-up? It's a blueberry. They are one of the only natural blue foods. What is this close-up? It's a goldfish. Goldfish sleep with their eyes wide open. What is this close-up? It's a popcorn. Popcorn kernels pop because of trapped steam. What is this close-up? It's a juice box. You poke the straw through a tiny hole. What is this close-up? It's a crayon. They are made of colorful melted wax. What is this close-up? It's a glazed donut. The hole helps it cook evenly. What is this close-up? It's a flashlight. It can make giant shadows on your wall. What is this close-up? It's a pizza slice. The world's most popular topping is pepperoni. Yeah, you did amazing. Subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching with me. I'm Mia. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.